Good morning, dear cadets. So yesterday I taught you IUPAC nomenclature, okay, of haloalkane and haloarenes. Today in NCERT book, that is the page number 285, they have given some examples. So these are the examples I wrote here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these are the bond line notation formula example. Okay, so while naming them, your first task is just write in this form I wrote here. Okay, and just remember these two rules: over halogen double bond and triple bond gets priority if both are at same position. Both are same position means halogen and double bond or halogen and triple bond. If they are at same position, then double bond should get priority. Suppose double bond and triple bond and halogen, all three are there. So remember, double bond should get priority over triple bond. That is there. Okay. Now just see. I simplified this one in this way. Just see. CH3, here C, here double bond, here CH, here what is there? CH, CH3, Br. Now just see here. Try to understand. Suppose you are starting numbering from this side. So 1, 2. First task is select the longest continuous chain. So 1, 2. At 2 position, Br will come. And here also which will come? Here also which will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. At 2 position only double bond is coming. So just see, here also at 2 position Br is coming. Here also at 2 position this is coming. So try to understand here. Try to understand here. What should be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond should get priority over halogen. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And here what is there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now name it now. The 4 bromo. 4 bromo. 4 bromo. Then what is there? 4 bromo. Then pent. 4 bromo. Pent, because 5 carbon atom is there. Pent 2 ene. Pent 2 ene. Pent 2 ene. Over 4 bromo pent 2 ene. That is the correct name. Okay. What about second one? The second one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just see. 1, 2. So at 2 position halogen is coming, but here what is there? At 1 position only this is there. So 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So what is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now try to understand here. Now total 4 carbon atom is there. So now but would be there. So just write down here. At 2 number what is there? CH3 group, 3 number Br group is there. So alphabetical order. 3 bromo, 3 bromo, 3 bromo, then what is there? 2 methyl, 2 methyl, 3 bromo, 2 methyl, 2 methyl, but, 3 bromo, 2 methyl, but 1 ene, but 1 ene. What about this one? What about this one? This is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just see. At 2 position Br is there. At 2 position double bond is also there. But try to understand here. Both are at equivalent position. But here just see. 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. If you are starting from this side, then what would be there? Just see. This time you have to start from this side. Locant rule should also be upheld. So just see here 1, 2, 3. At 3 number what would be there? Methyl group will come. But here 1, 2, 3. At 3 number also methyl group will come. So just see. Locant rule should be seen. Suppose you are starting from this side. So 1, 2, 2. Then 2 plus 3. 3 number double bond is also there. 1, 2, 3. So plus 3. Total what is there? 8 is there. Suppose you are starting from this side. So 1, here 2, and here also 3, 3. And 3 plus 4. So total what is there? 2, 3, 9 is coming. So now lowest set rule should be followed. Means you should start from here. So just see, I will rub this one. So try to understand here. Now here 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So here what would be there? What would be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So naming would be 2 bromo, 2 bromo, 2 bromo. Then what is there? 3 methyl, 3 methyl, 2 bromo, 3 methyl, pent, 3 ene. Okay, 2 bromo, 3 methyl, pent, 3 ene. So just see, dear cadets, here also this is wrong numbering. Please correct it. Here also just see, 2 position Br is there, 2 position double bond is there. So double bond should get the priority. So numbering would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and here what is there? 5 is there. So means according to this numbering, what should be there? 4 bromo. Here 4 bromo. Now 3 methyl. Now it is correct. 3 methyl pent 3 ene. Now it is very simple. Just see. Here double bond and halogen is not at the same position. So halogen will get the priority. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Try to understand. If halogen and double bond at the same position, then only double bond will get the priority. If they are in unequal position, then halogen will get the priority. Remember. So here what would be there? 2 methyl, 2 methyl. Now here what is there? Bute, 2 methyl bute, bute, 2 methyl bute, then bute 1 bromo, 1 bromo, 1 bromo, then 2 methyl bute 2 ene, bute 2 ene, 1 bromo 2 methyl bute 2 ene. What about here? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what is there? 1 bromo, 1 bromo, then bute 2 enes, 1 bromo bute 2 ene. Okay, here no problem. At 5th number here. Now 6th number I wrote here. So just see here again what is there? At 1 position only. So double bond will get the priority. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. Okay. So what is the name of this one? 3 bromo, 3 bromo, 3 bromo, 3 bromo, then 3 bromo, 2 methyl, 3 bromo, 2 methyl, prop 1 ene, prop 1 ene. Okay, that is the answer. 3 bromo 2 methyl propane 1 ene. Even 1 ene is not required. Propane you can write. Okay, so in this way you should name it. Okay. This is pent 2 ene. What is this one? Pent 2 ene. Okay, not 3 ene. So just dear cadets, remember here everything is okay. Remember here double bond should get priority over halogen if both positions are same. One thing. Second one, here lowest set rule is not valid. Okay, what is there? If they are at the same position, then double bond should get priority over the halogen. Remember, if you remember this one, then you will not have any problem. Okay, in this way this is completed. Now write the structural formula. So we'll write that one. Write structure of the following compound. Okay, so just see. In earlier case what was there? IUPAC name was not given. Structure was given. You have written there IUPAC name. Here IUPAC name is given, you have to write their structure. So just see, if such type of question is there, first we should see the word root. How many carbon atom is there? 5 carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 2 position what is there? Chloro is there. 3 position what is there? Methyl is there. Okay, you have written. Now fulfill remaining valency. Here CH3, here CH, here also CH, here also CH2, here also CH3. So here what is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, correct. Now just see, 2 chloro, 3 methyl pentane. What about second one? Just see the second one. Now first see the cyclohexane. So first make the cyclohexane. Okay, this is cyclohexane. Now at 1 position chloro is there. So write here chlorine. 1, 2, 3. Here this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Now at 4 position what is there? C2H5. Now what is there? At 3rd position. 3rd position 4 tertiary butyl 3 iodoheptane. 4 tertiary butyl 3 iodoheptane. Heptane means 7 carbon atom. 2, 3, 4. What is there? 5. Here 6. Here 7. So now what is there? At 3 position iodo, and now 4 tertiary butyl. So 3 position right here iodo. Now 4 tertiary butyl. So at 4 position what is there? C. Just see the tertiary butyl. This is CH3. This is also CH3. This is also CH3. Okay. So this is tertiary butyl group. Okay. Now fulfill remaining valency. Here CH3. Here CH2. Here also CH2. 1 to here CH. Here what is there? Here 1, 2, 3 CH. Here CH2. Here CH3. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. Okay. This is there. So this is 4 tertiary. At 4 position T butyl group. Tertiary butyl group should be there. Okay. Now fourth one. Fourth one is 1,4 dibromobutene. 1,4 but. But means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2 double bond. Then at 1 position. At 1 position Br. At 4 position Br. Okay. Fulfill remaining valency. So here what is there? CH2. Here what is there? CH. Here also CH. Here also CH2. Okay. So now you can start numbering 1, 2, 1, 2 either side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 4, 1, 4 dibromobutene. Okay. This is correct. Now the last one, fifth one. Fifth one is just C. 1 bromo, 4 secondary butyl. 4 secondary butyl, 2 methyl benzene. So first you should make the structure of benzene. Okay. Secondary butyl you have to make. Okay. So just see. Benzene. This is benzene. Okay. Now just see. 1 bromo. So start here only bromo. Then what is there? 2 methyl. So at 2 number CH3 group is there. Then at 4 number secondary butyl. So secondary butyl means just see. This is CH. This is CH. Okay. Now here CH3, CH2, CH3. What is the meaning of secondary butyl? Secondary butyl means at second number carbon atom. Okay. 2 degree. Which carbon atom? This one? This one. Second carbon atom. Now it should be bonded with, means 2 degree carbon atom should be bonded with here. Okay. With the benzene ring. In T butyl, just see here. This is tertiary carbon atom bonded with the main chain or principal chain. That is the difference. And last year I taught you what is the meaning of secondary butyl, what is the meaning of tertiary butyl. Okay, tertiary butyl means 3-degree carbon atom should make bond with the principal chain. Secondary butyl means 2-degree carbon. So this is 2-degree carbon atom. Okay, so I hope that you understood this is the structure. In this way IUPAC nomenclature is completely completed. Now nature of CX bond. C means carbon, X means halogen. So in alkyl halide CX bond would be there or not? So just see the nature of CX bond. C is less electronegative. Okay, less electronegative, and X is more electronegative, more electronegative. Okay, so now try to understand between C and X there is a sharing of 1 electron. Here 2, 4, 6, and here what is there? 7th one electron. So this is bond pair electron. What is this one? Bond pair electron. Since X is more electronegative, so this pair will be shifted this side towards the halogen side. Then what would be there? C will acquire partial positive charge and X will acquire slightly negative charge. So 2, 4, 6 and this one slightly negative charge. So now CX bond become now polar bond. Polar means what is there? What is the meaning of polarity? The meaning of polarity is having slight positive and negative charge. Actually covalent bond should not receive the positive and negative charge, but it due to difference in electronegativity between halogen and carbon atom, carbon has acquired slightly positive charge and halogen has acquired slightly negative charge. So now CX bond become now polar. Okay, so polarity arises due to difference in the electronegativity of two bonded atom. Polarity arises due to difference in the electronegativity of two bonded atom. Atom which is more electronegative, bond pair will be shifted towards that side. Bond pair electron will be shifted towards that side. Because of shifting of bond pair, according to rule of covalent, what should be there? Bond pair exactly should lie in between the bonded atom. But here due to difference in electronegativity, it is shifted towards the more electronegative atom. So now it is rich by electron. That is why it is slightly negative. And it is now deficient by electron, that is why slightly positive. So the creation of positive and negative charge in covalent bond, that is only polarity. That is why CX bond is polar bond. I hope that you have got this one. Now let us move to the method of preparation of alcohol. So now we are in the methods of preparation of haloalkanes, not haloarenes, haloalkanes. So first method is from alcohol. Okay, so you know alcohol is having functional group OH. So first you understand what is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. Then we'll go for the method of preparation. Okay, so just see RCH2OH. Okay, this is 1 degree alcohol. This is 1 degree alcohol. Okay, now CHOH and here R. This is 2 degree alcohol. This is 2 degree alcohol. This is C. This is R. This is R. This is R. This is 3 degree alcohol. This is 3 degree alcohol. Okay. This is 2 degree. This is 1 degree alcohol. Okay. No problem at all. Now on what basis I am telling this is 1 degree alcohol? Because OH group is bonded with 1 degree carbon atom. Alone carbon atom, R means one more carbon atom here. Okay, this is 2 degree carbon atom. 2 degree carbon atom. What about this one? 3 degree carbon atom. Okay, that is why it is 3D. If OH is bonded with 1 degree carbon atom, so that is 1 degree alcohol. If it is bonded with 2 degree, so 2 degree. If it is bonded with 3 degree carbon atom, so that is 3 degree alcohol. I hope that you understood this one. Now let us come to the basic point. From alcohol, how you will prepare the haloalkanes? So from alcohol, see, try to understand. When alcohol react with hydrogen halide, now I am rubbing this one in presence of groups reagent. Okay, when alcohol react with hydrogen halide, when alcohol react with hydrogen halide means HCl, HBr, Hi. I am not taking HF, remember, because their reaction will be different. Okay, hydrogen halide in presence of groups reagent, anhydrous ZnCl2, that is groups reagent, that is anhydrous ZnCl2, that is groups reagent. Okay, now how, just see here. Alcohol, take alcohol, this is ROH. Okay, 1 degree alcohol I am taking. Now it should react with, let us take HCl. Now here what should be there? Anhydrous ZnCl2. This is groups reagent. What is this one? Groups reagent or groups method. Okay, now this method name is also groups method only. You can write here from groups method. What is this one? Groups method. So now ROH plus HCl. So here what is there? OH and H. So here what is there? RCl plus H2O. This is alkyl halide. What is this one? Alkyl halide. Okay, this is alkyl chloride. Better to write alkyl chloride. Now try to understand here. Alkyl chloride, you can make another also in the same way. ठीक है, now 2 degree alcohol you just take. This is 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol, take 2 degree alcohol. 2 degree alcohol means R. Here what is there? CH, plus here HCl. Here what is there? Anhydrous ZnCl2. So here OH and here H. So here what is there? CH, and here what is there? Cl plus H2O. So you have got 2 degree. This is 1 degree alkyl, 1 degree alkyl chloride. This is 2 degree alkyl chloride. Okay, in the same way you can make 3 degree also. Just see, for making 3 degree you have to take 3 degree alcohol. R. So this is COH plus what is here? HCl. So OH and HCl. Here what is there? Anhydrous ZnCl2. So what is this one? R. This is C. This is Cl plus H2O. What is this one? This is 3 degree alkyl chloride. Okay, so we have got all the 3, okay, by groups method. But just remember what you are getting. You are getting alkyl chloride also. There is a twist in getting the bromide and iodide. So we'll tell you now. On the basis of this one, we can write everywhere here anhydrous ZnCl2 you have to write. So this method is groups method only. Right here groups method. In NCERT book just in one line they have left, but you have to explain here. Groups method. Here also write the groups method only. Now here just see what is the speciality of this method. Just see, In the speciality of this method, what actually what is happening here, OH is getting replaced, means this COH bond, here also ROH bond, means COH bond, here also COH bond, here also COH bond getting broken, okay, then only halide you will have 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree halide, okay. So just see, the breaking of COH bond is facilitated by anhydrous ZnCl2. That is the function of this one, anhydrous ZnCl2. How? Will tell you that one also. Right now, what is the order of reactivity of alcohol towards this method? So write down here, order of reactivity of alcohol, order of reactivity of alcohol, that is 3 degree, then 2 degree and 1 degree. Order of reactivity of alcohol, 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree alcohol, okay. Why 3 degree is more reactive towards this reaction than 2 degree, and in turn 2 degree is more reactive than 1 degree, okay. So we'll explain this one also. This is because of, just see, just a minute, let me rub this one and will explain you. Okay, so just see, this is the order of reactivity of alcohol towards hydrogen halide, with hydrogen halide HX, okay. So just see here, 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, just see. Now I wrote all the 3 reactions here, okay. Now I wrote in 3 degree alcohol case also anhydrous ZnCl2, but actually remember, in 3 degree alcohol that does not require anhydrous ZnCl2. Just you mix HCl with 3 degree alcohol, reaction will be happened, okay. That much the reactivity of 3 degree alcohol. Now question arises here, why 3 degree alcohol is more reactive than 2 degree, 2 degree is more reactive than 1 degree, okay. We'll explain. So please make the correction, where I wrote the 3 degree alcohol reaction, there you remove the ZnCl2, that should not be there in 3 degree alcohol case, when 3 degree alcohol react with HCl. Rest every cases 1 degree, 2 degree it is required. Now let us come back to this one, order of reactivity of alcohol with HX. Now just see, first make here, just now what I taught you, that CX bond is polar bond. What is there? CX bond is polar bond. Carbon is slightly positive and X is negative, okay. So that is only polarity. See in the case of alcohol also, see 3 degree alcohol means this is there, RCR, this is OH, and now in that method, groups method, what is there? Bond is getting broken from here only. Now in 2 degree case, what is there? RC, here R, here H and here OH. Now here what is there? R, C, H, and here what is there? OH. That is there. Any problem here? Now just see, why 3 degree alcohol is more reactive. Just see here. Here just write, due to, here answer, explanation. Just see, due to plus I effect of R group, due to plus I effect of R group, okay. Now just see, in 3 degree alcohol case, 3 R group is there. What is there? 3 R group is there. Here what is there? 2 R group is there. Here what is there? 1 R group is there, okay. Here what is there? 3 R group, here 2. So now just see, now here what would be there? Earlier case means before R, what was there? This was positive and this was negative. Now what is there? Now 3R, here you can write, due to this effect electron density electron density at carbon atom will increase since in 3 degree alcohol 3 groups are there. Hence polarity of COH bond will be more. Hence bond gets broken easily. Bond gets broken easily. Now just see here 3R group is there, so they will increase the electron density at this carbon atom. Okay, so now here slightly negative charge will come or not. Here 3R group is there. Now here what would be there? This will be slightly positive. I am talking of entire OH group. Slightly as compared to, actually oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So here according to rule what should have been here positive and here negative, correct or not? Now what is happening? Due to plus I effect of R group, this is negative. Now this is as compared to O. Now carbon is more electronegative now because of the more electron density at this one. So now polarity is increasing or not? So when polarity increases, bond gets weakened. When bond gets weakened, so breaking is easy. That is why I wrote due to plus I effect of R group. Due to this effect, electron density at carbon atom will increase. Since in 3 degree alcohol 3R groups are there, hence polarity of COH bond will become polarity of COH bond will become more. Polarity of COH bond will be more. Hence bond gets broken easily. Now here only 2 are there, here only 1 is there, correct? So now 3 degree alcohol. See, in groups method or in this method what we require? We require that this bond should broken easily. Okay, this bond should broken easily. So now in 3 degree case this is happening very easily because of the presence of 3R group. Here only 2R group, here only 1R group, correct or not? So what would be there now? 3 degree alcohol will be more reactive toward the hydrogen halide. I wrote here order of reactivity of alcohol with HX. Okay, now in different place the reactivity of alcohol will be different. Just like our behavior towards our parent is different, but our behavior towards other parent is different. Our behavior towards the teacher towards a particular teacher is different. Now same way we can't behave with all. Similarly, this is the order of reactivity of alcohol toward the hydrogen halide. Now in another places or some other with respect to other reagent, the reactivity of alcohol will be different. So I hope that you have got this one. Okay, so now one more thing is there, function of ZnCl2. Just see, ZnCl2 facilitate the breaking of this bond, COH bond. How? Actually it makes coordinate bond. That also will explain. Now in organic chemistry each and everything should be clarified. Now anything can be asked. In NCERT book whatever exercise is given at the end of chapter, you should remember that one only. You should solve this one, and exercise is of high standard. Okay, but explanation is not there. In the same reaction, if you see the NCERT book, they have not explained anything. Okay, but questions are there. So just be careful, and I will try from my side. Okay, so just see. Now here one more thing is there, order of reactivity of hydrogen halide towards alcohol. Here write towards alcohol. So HiHbr HCl. See the explanation. Due to bigger size of iodine, Hi bond is big, hence broken easily. Okay, that is the reason. That is why Hi is more reactive. Now just see function of anhydrous ZnCl2 here. Anhydrous ZnCl2 is Lewis acid. It makes coordinate bond with lone pair electron of oxygen of OH, hence facilitate the breaking of COH bond and formation of carbocation. Just see. Now the mechanism of this reaction is given in the next unit, that is in alcohol chapter. Right now what is there? Just try to understand here how ZnCl2 facilitate the breaking of COH bond. Just see. Take any one, 1 degree, 2 degree. Take 1 degree alcohol. This is H, R, and this is OH. Okay. Now here what is there? Here H, 1 degree. This is 1 degree alcohol. Okay. Now ZnCl2 is electron deficient compound. That is why it is Lewis acid. You can check here Zn, here Cl, and here Cl. So here 2, 4, 6. Here also 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now here sharing of 1 electron. So around zinc how many electron is there? Only 4 electron is there. Correct or not? Just see here. 1 electron of zinc and 1 electron of chlorine here. So this is bond pair. This is bond pair. So now here what is there? Around this one what is there? 8 electron is there. What is here? 8 electron. And here what is there? 2, 4. 2, 4. So this is Lewis acid only. Now just see. During the course of reaction, this will form Zn. And here what is there? Cl. And here Cl. Correct or not? Okay. So now coordinate, zinc is requiring electron. So it is making coordinate bond with the lone pair of electron of oxygen. Hence facilitate the breaking of this one. OH bond. Same is the case with 2 degree. Here C, here what is there? R, here H, here what is there? OH. Here also lone pair of electron is there. So here also Zn, here what is there? Cl, here also Cl. Correct or not? Okay. So now here also what is there? Coordinate bond is only there. So making of coordinate bond means facilitating the breaking of this bond. Okay, that is the function of anhydrous ZnCl2. In this way up to here it is completed. There are so many issues with these reactions. Some other things are there. Will complete in the next video. Okay. Thank you.